This program, this is the 5th year, which is really exciting to see where we started and where we are today. I actually joined in with the first initial class in 2021. My name is Lauren King and I am from Avon, Indiana.
The Rising Talent Program fosters a big community within the interns, giving us time to connect with each other, get to know each other. My biggest takeaway from this experience would be the hands-on real-world learning experience that I got, specifically vendor relations and teamwork communication.
I was so surprised when I saw that this is such a huge company and the manufacturing floor is much more than what I expected to be. The biggest takeaway from this internship experience would be the manufacturing and the industrial engineering skills that I have gained. Now I'm able to bridge the gap between the theoretical knowledge that I have at school and I'm able to apply that at an industry setting.
When I first joined the internship, I didn't know what I wanted to do within supply chain management. And I think I found my path. I love procurement. Something that really surprised me from this internship is the amount of exposure that we have with different executives, especially during the lunch and learn activities.
I approached my manager at the end of the internship and said, is there a possibility for me to come back? Because it was not only my last internship, but my favorite internship. If I was offered a job here at dormakaba, I would definitely take it. He said, yes, there's a possibility, so I contacted him later and he brought me on full time, which I'm really grateful for because he's an awesome guy. They really helped me a lot in figuring out what I wanted to do.
Every year, I think we keep being surprised by the caliber of talent that we're bringing in from universities across the country. You know, these interns are tackling problems that plague our teams day to day.
Here's our challenge, here's our problem. Help us solve that, help us bring new ideas and fresh perspectives.
The main project I've been working on is organizing and standardizing the event process for my mentor, Mary Barr, streamlining the stop-and-go nature of event planning to make it a smoother process.
Over the summer, I got to work with many projects, one being with the autocore department where I was working with the autocore assembly line. And I was working on the changeover process and I reduced the downtime, which led to more production and more profit.
My first project that I worked on was called the DEI Task Force. With this project, I was told to do as much research as possible on both the internal and externally facing policies to ensure that we are remaining compliant with the current administrations.
I'm running reports for different states, looking at opportunities and different information for other customers. Out west, we have a bunch of trade shows going on right now, so doing flyers, networking with customers, doing the marketing to target a bigger audience.
SIA, which is the Security Industry Association, I received a scholarship from them to take some master's level classes, and then I also received the 25 on the Rise Award, which I so graciously got to attend a conference in New York to receive that.
The culture that we have built and the desire that we see from employees, managers, and senior leaders for interns to do well and succeed here has really helped it to grow.
My advice for future interns would be to take advantage of every opportunity they offer here. Everyone here is willing and wanting to help you. You just need to ask for it.
Put yourself out there, ask questions, and schedule time with people outside of your team.
Just say yes to as many projects as possible.
The more you do, the more you learn.
I've learned to use my voice and ask questions and really develop myself as a well-rounded person.
The future is bright.